Welcome, pure structure traders. Today is January 20th, 2021, and
Good
we will
morning.
be going over S&P 500 and also gold. Um, for now, we'll go over a 10 tick here on S&P 500. You can see that we did climb. We have a strong bullish trend going to the upside. Right now, we're struggling right between the levels of 14 to about 1650. I am expecting the market to try to pull back a little bit. We may have a minor level sitting right around these 3808s that I'm anticipating for the market to continue a bounce of support and then continue from there. For now, a little bit too high for my liking to continue the bullish trend. But again, we are bullish, so the best opportunities of trade are to continue the actual trend to the upside. If you're looking for the fade, it's going to be somewhere around these 3814s to come back down into the support. But if we get underneath these 3804s, got a little bit of support coming in here at the 96s, and then you can see below where we caught that support right around those 9025s off the right before the London session, and we continue to the upside from there. So that's what we're looking at. Again, we do have that minor level that we want to see come up, and I'll show you guys here on this 5 tick here real quick. S&P minor level coming right down into this area for the support, and then we'll look to see the bounce. If we can get that bounce, then I want to see the move back to the upside from there. But for right now, we'll let it come back down. If it doesn't, then it's probably going to continue up. But this is not very much of a good area for me to try to catch that support. Let's take a look at gold, give you guys some levels off of gold as well. Let's close this down here. So gold did move all the way down into our levels of support. You can see we came all the way down into these 1832s, and then we started to make a move back up from that area. We did have some levels during the London session, which was resistance sitting up here at 57.3, then down below 54, and the market started to move right into those exact areas, 1850, got a nice double top and started to move down. So again, our major support was right at 31.7. You can see the nice bounce right off that area. And then from there, we started to move to the upside. Right now, we are above one of our main levels of resistance, which was that 57.3, and we can still go bullish, but we would have to hold this very first area right around these 60.2s. You can see a nice pin bar that bounced off that level, and we may continue up from there. That's a minor level. More of a better support area for me would be somewhere around these 57.3s and then continue the move. But it's up to you what you want to do as far as trade on gold. For me, first level would be this top level of resistance for support down below 57.2. Let's take a look at what it kind of looks like on a 5 tick as well on gold. So let's pull this over here. All right, so again, yes, you can see on this 5 tick on gold, nice couple bounces that we had off that area of 60, got that pull right into it and then bounce right off. So again, we may be able to move, but it's a kind of a tight area. So you want to be able to either understand this move or just stay away from it and let the market come back into more of a stronger support if you're not comfortable with this area. But still bullish on gold, could be a good opportunity for a continued climb up into our levels of resistance. First area for me is probably going to be somewhere around these 1863.3s as a level of resistance as well. So we'll take a look at that and see what gold does for us today. And then for S&P 500, again, we're going to be looking for the market to come into our supports and then try to continue the bull trend from there. So we'll see if we get opportunity to do that. Right now, again, we're back at 17, looking to struggles at this point. So that is it for S&P 500 and also gold. Let's go ahead and get into trading.